okay, I'm gonna buy more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the month of May, I want to try something different with a grocery challenge. So I am going to do my regular weekly, monthly buys and then calculate / like track my spending and see where I can cut costs, because I realized that my weekly grocery is about, not my weekly, like in the whole month I spend about around almost $500–600 on groceries total, and we are a family of 5, so we should not be spending that much on grocery. So I wanted to kind of do a challenge for the month of May where I'm going to just watch my spending and see where I can cut costs, where I can tweak things and kind of correct my mistakes of why I'm overspending. So my plan is I'm going to do my monthly buys. I go to BJ's. It's like a Sam's Clubs in New York, Costco in New York. It's the same thing, so wholesale. I'm gonna do like my snacks, my juice, what the kids need, my laundry stuff, all that. So I'm gonna buy all of those, keep all those things the same. And then typically what I do is I buy meat as I go, or buy extra things as I go. Every week I get fresh fruits, which typically includes grapes, mangoes, apples, sometimes oranges, depending on what they have or how their stock is. Those are the fruits I typically get. I buy bell pepper and like cooking seasoning, like produce, on a cooking basis. So whenever I go in to get my meat, I typically get 1 bell pepper that will last me for 2 meals, because I tend to waste them. I don't have the freezer space to cut them up and put them in the freezer to freeze them. I don't have the space for that right now. We're looking into getting to a chest for a deep freezer so we can have an extra fridge, so you know it won't be so tight. Because like by the time I get my waffles and some meats, right now I have like I don't know how many whole chickens in my fridge. I need to kind of get rid of a lot of stuff so I can know. So this month I said, okay, I'm just going to try to see where my overspending is, and then I can correct those things next month. So this is going to be a 2-month thing. So for right now, this video will show you all the bulk things I have bought and the meat and whatever produce I have bought for this week. And then next week I will show you guys, or if you want me to do a 2-week update, I will do that. And then the last month or the beginning of June, I can show you guys like my final and my update and what I'm going to change along with the groceries that I also bought for June. June is kind of a different month because that's also my first son's birthday, so I'm gonna have a lot of extra spending going on there. So I want to kind of have a little system going into it. So yeah, I just want to do this quick intro before I jump into the video and you guys are a little confused like this is all you bought. No, I am the type of person that if I decide, oh, I want to cook today, I don't have the meat in the bottom freezer. It's frozen. So by the time I get home to take it out, I don't have the time. So I'll just go ahead and buy meat and say, oh, next time I'll defrost whatever. And I never end up defrosting it. So that's another thing that is also an issue, because I keep saying, okay, I'm going to buy more. Oh my God, I forgot to take stuff out to defrost it. So I have to go and buy it to cook it. So I want to be very mindful of all of that this month too, just because I know that's an issue. So yeah, that's what I am trying to do. That's the purpose of documenting this video and why it would be more than one part. I just want to explain it to you guys so you guys are aware of why I'm breaking it down, what I am intending to do, why is it chopped like this and not too crazy. So for the first part right now, I'm going to jump into me showing you what I bought for my bulk buys, and then right after it's going to be a few days later and I'm going to show you what I bought for this week's produce. And then at the end I am going to give you like a grand total so you're able to see like how much money I spent and where I, you know, am going wrong. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you want to stick around and see how this challenge goes, don't forget to like, comment, and make sure you subscribe so you're and turn on your post notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. Trust me, there's a lot more fun things to come, so make sure you are subscribed. And thank you for clicking on today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I have 2 things of Pediasure. Sparkling water, whatever you call it, gain softener, Hawaiian Rose, this is a twin pack, coconut water, because I'm not a fan of drinking water, so this is the best for me. Snack items, I have this Pringle pack, their Fruit Loop cereal. I have this pack of chips for their snack, and then I also got this one variety pack. I also got OxyClean, and I think I said cereal, 2 things of juice, regular water, and then the kids' water. Also got paper towel, Bounty. Now over to, we got barbecue sauce because we are completely out. This is the only sugar Dave likes, so that's what we get. Ketchup because we're completely out. Huh? That's mine. So ketchup, we're not out of dish soap, but on dish soap I use this to clean too, so I go through it pretty good. This will probably last about 2 months. Milk, because I love tea very sweet, so I put milk in it. Spicy beef patty, this is a quick easy lunch for the kids, especially like on weekends or swim days. That would be great. French fries, I'm almost out. This is like a monthly buy in my house, like it's a monthly staple. And then milk, grapes, waffles we go through because weekends, like this box will probably service for a month and a half plus what we have, so we probably got 2 months worth of waffles right now. And I have strawberries. I did not realize it was such a small pack, or I would have got 2, so I'm gonna have to get more fruits because I don't buy my fruits except for my grapes at BJ's because I don't like how they do theirs. So yeah, I'm gonna get the fridge stuff. The fridge stuff I'm gonna put in the fridge, but like the pantry stuff, I'm not gonna completely put those away yet because I am gonna go to Burlington and Home Goods. I need a few more containers, so I'm gonna put away all the cold stuff and out like the juices and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Why is my lighting so bad? Okay, that's better. So what you hear in the background are the kids are eating. the McDonald's for the day. Kaden has therapy right now, so I'm gonna get him started. Not therapy, tutoring right now. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and get him started. So we'll be back with, I'll come back with the rest of the stuff that I have to order. I'll be back with them. So for weekly grocery, I typically get my smoothies. It's either kale or spinach. This time around is going to be mangoes and apples, which the boys love apples, so this will be gone in a week. I also got some shrimp, their favorite spicy chips, spaghetti, shrimp alfredo, pepper. So typically on a weekly basis, I go to the grocery store because I don't really do meat in bulk because I don't know what I'm cooking, and I just normally do like one bell pepper, one red, one green every time I'm gonna cook. So that's typically how I do it. I don't really do bulk things like that. And then on top of it, I can't fit a lot of stuff in my freezer, so I'm very spectacle. I'm very precise on how I buy things. So this trip, I have bacon, I have pork chops, I have turkey neck. I think it's, oh no, turkey neck, other stuff, patties. This is from what we bought Saturday, and this is all that's left. So I'm gonna probably have to buy another round. Obviously I have enough like cooking stuff. So like I have turkey neck and chicken and stuff still in here, and I have 2 whole chickens in there, so I didn't want to buy any kind of meat because I have enough for the next couple weeks. I want to eat what's in there first before I go ahead and buy more. And yeah, so it's just really the fruits for the kids, my stuff for snack. We have a lot of stuff, so this is just the add-on to what we already have for the kids and stuff. So yeah, so that's my May grocery haul. Obviously I'm gonna have to go to the grocery store in the coming weeks because I'm gonna need more fruits in about 2 weeks, and what else I'm gonna need. Probably won't be buying any meat for another month because we have enough. And then yeah, so like I buy things like meat and stuff like that on a cooking basis. I don't do bulk buy because I don't know what I want. My kids are very weird, so it's kind of weird when it comes to that. So I hope you guys enjoy our May grocery haul video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.